Well, check out. I'm gonna do an unboxing video to open this new webcam I got yesterday on Black Friday. But guess what? This is called logitech 4K Pro webcam. 4K. This okay. Before I do the unboxing, the webcam. This is my old webcam I've been using for 4 years. When I moved out to the city on the Florida, and this is like a logitech HD 180p. This is my first webcam I ever used in my life. All the time when you guys see me, I was playing games, recording my vlogs and videos. And before I started playing some games using Elgato, I've been recording some singing songs like Boogie 2988 and Happy Thanksgiving with Adam Sandler. But if it was nothing for this game, nothing will never happen in my life. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this webcam. Maybe I can sell it or just give it away. I'm gonna miss you. It's time to say hello from logitech 4K Pro webcam. Oh man, I'm so excited for this new webcam. I can't wait to record videos and playing games. And I want to see how the installing this. I just plug it into the computer on the motherboard, and that's it. This tape is so strong. To open the tape, I need a big scissor. Okay. No, but I can't open this. There he is, right here, and I'm going to follow the instructions. Like, I'm not doing doing upgrade game setup. I'm just doing unboxing video. If you guys want to see me to do it update game setup, just give it a comment, and comment on down below. What the heck? Damn. Oh yeah, I forgot to take some tips to that side. Open. Ta-da! This is so beautiful. It is bigger than my old webcam. Let me see. I don't know exactly what this thing's called, but I say this is a small camera. This is a record video camera, and this is a I don't know what is it called, but I mean, maybe the menu instructions can tell me what is that. Okay, 4K Pro webcam. I can install it on the laptop. I can put it top of the monitor and make sure it's locked up, and put, I don't know what it's called. Guess what? You don't need a, well, this is a bag I saw on YouTube. One of the guy he was doing a unboxing video with this webcam. He shows he has a bag you can travel everywhere you go. I could say not bad. I can put my webcam in travel everywhere and I need to use. And this is a cable. My webcam never have a cable off. I never take a cable off of this thing. If I take it, it will not work again. It will broke it. But this one, you can also take the cables off. Let's see, where's my new webcam? This is so amazing. I love it. This is my new webcam. I'm not gonna do the settings to start right now. I'm just showing you guys. This is an unboxing video for my new webcam. If you guys did like unboxing video, be sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications. Share this with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna play a game showing my face with this my new webcam. So bye.